things are a little bit different than market or shopping mall from my own country. I could get used to this. Finally, I can understand. It's wonderful. Hey, welcome back to yet another day in Vietnam. It's a really hot day today. Feels like summer. It's 31 degrees. And we're going back into the old quarter because there's a night market. Looks really fun. They will close off the roads from all the crazy traffic and host a little market there. But yeah, it's not night as you can see. So first we'll explore the old quarter a little bit more. And of course we can't explore Hanoi on an empty stomach. So we decided to drop by one of the more highly rated banh mi stores of the city. So Mariko found this banh mi and dumpling store and it's supposed to be really good. I got one of both, so let's see. So first the banh mi. It's supposed to be special mix and let's see how special this really is. The bread is good. Not too hard, not too soft. Meat looks pretty good too. That was really good. Let's see the bun. Mariko said it's really nice, so I'm curious. This is good, this is wow. 8 out of 10. And with our tummies all filled up, it's time to explore Hanoi. I'm not sure if it's actually less busy or I just got used to the craziness. I feel completely fine squirming my way through everywhere. Yeah, maybe I'm becoming pro. So we're gonna take a look at the Shodongshan market. So this is the biggest covered market in all of Hanoi and it's kind of messy and disorganized, but in other places it's kind of peaceful. First impression, it looks very disorganized in here, but that's to be expected of Vietnam. And it's not a food market. I thought it was maybe a lot of food here, but it's mostly handbags, clothes, that kind of stuff. So yeah, things are a little bit different than market or shopping mall from my own country. Interesting to see how it works over here. Interesting experience. People here work really hard. I see no one sitting still. Everyone's dragging stuff, throwing stuff, packaging stuff. People work really hard. I'm very lazy. I just sit behind a computer all day. Time for another little pit stop. This lovely little che shop. So Mariko wants to try out this che Vietnamese sweets. We have this one, which is coconut chili. So one thing I learned online is if the ice cube is round, it's not made from tap water. And thank God, this is round. This one is coconut jelly, very jelly-ish. Not like sweets, but I want to try at least one. Like pudding. This is actually quite good. So this is the name of the shop. I can highly recommend it. So we slowly made our way towards the night market and we came across this interesting ritual. I have no clue what's going on, but it's very interesting. I gotta say, I love everything about this. The outfit, the makeup, maybe not these guys. Thanks for destroying my eardrums, guys. And yes, I know this video is supposed to be about a night market, but it was just very difficult to get there. We just want to walk this way, but there's an endless stream of motorbikes. We can never go. So we're taking a little break at this coffee place. I don't actually drink coffee, but it was just not possible to walk outside, so we're gonna wait till it's 6. Then I think the scooters will be banned away from the market here, and we can take a leisurely stroll through the market. Look how thick this smoothie is. It just stands straight up. So I can slowly hear the scooters disappearing, kicked out of the market, as they should. And I treated myself on an expensive smoothie, $3, coconut smoothie. Let's see what it tastes like. It's really good, so coconutty. Yeah, not very surprising. It's a coconut smoothie, but it's so coconutty. It's more coconutty than an actual coconut. Ah, this is good. Is this what luxury tastes like? I could get used to this. And the view is amazing too. Now let's go to that night market. That smoothie was so good. I'm a cheapskate, but it was well worth a 50,000 dong. And night has fallen upon us, and it looks really cozy here. I don't think this is the actual market we want to see, because there are still pesky scooters like this guy. Hey, shoo, go away! But then we finally made it to the infamous night market. They sure love anime in Vietnam. Maybe I have met my people, my fellow otaku people here. And I think I should keep up with Vietnamese fashion as well. This is no good. What do you think? Yeah, I think this is just perfect. If you think Crocs were ugly, take a look at these. So that's it for the night market. It was short but sweet. And the market itself, it was just a market, not that interesting. But look how quiet the street is. Oh, I wish Hanoi was like this every day. So we were here on our first day. Here's the lake. And this place was absolutely nuts with traffic. But now there's nothing. And it's so much nicer. Look at this. Just look at this road. This is absolute madness during the day. And now super nice. People are enjoying. There's no honking cars or scooters. So we're gonna take a little walk along the lake here. Enjoy the peace and quiet. Recharge for the next day when all the cars and scooters are back on the road again. Fortunately, we have the police patrolling the streets of Vietnam, keeping everything in order. And if that doesn't work, there's always Ho Chi Minh watching over everyone. My friend from Japan, Hida-san, he really loves Vietnam. He goes here a few times a year, and I can understand. Finally, I can understand. When all the madness is gone, when you look past the madness, it looks like this. It's wonderful. And now let's make our way through these lovely, quiet streets to the restaurant for dinner. So Mariko chose this place, and I have to say, it looks pretty good. It looks very clean, and the food looks nice, and most of all, the atmosphere is really nice with the lanterns and stuff. Yeah, let's hope the food is just as good as the atmosphere. I wanted to try this stewed beef in wine sauce with bread, so you dip the bread. I don't actually like wine, but it looks pretty good. So here's Mariko's Boon Cha. She's been searching for this everywhere, and it's finally here. And it looks pretty good. And Mariko ordered this monstrosity of a thing that's absolutely huge. Looks very good, actually. Looks very good. I'm still waiting for my food. They only gave me this rice. I want my food. Alright guys, this is the banh mi I got with the soup. I have to say I'm pretty disappointed. The soup and this bread is that's the meal. The rice is just extra. I ordered that on the side. It's so small, so small. So this is my dish, and it's more expensive than Mariko's dish. I don't know. That doesn't seem completely fair to me. Let's at least see if it tastes any good. Oh, it is pretty good. It's just so small. So I'll steal some of Mariko's buncha. That is good. This sauce, good. A little bit soury, but good. Reminds me of sukame in Japan. I should have gotten that buncha instead of this lousy stew with only a tiny bread. Reminds me of Korean barbecue. Let's see if it tastes similar. Oh, this is also good. I really picked the wrong meal. Whoa, they're drifting. Whoa. So that's it for our dinner. Was alright, but my meal was just no good. Mariko's meal was good, but yeah, we came here. I have no idea what's going on here. It's craziness everywhere. From a young age, they are being trained to be absolute road warriors. But looks fun actually. I wanna go inside as well. So thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video, and to catch me in the next video to see more craziness in Vietnam. Alright, bye bye.